I thought this cheap gas blower was gonna be trash. Too cheap, too weak. But then I pulled the cord. What happened next blew me away, literally. Alright, this is the HTK 63cc gas backpack leaf blower. It's got a 2-stroke engine and some serious power. First impression, not bad. Comes with everything you need, pipes, straps, even tools. Let's get this beast ready. It took me about 15 minutes to set up. Everything clicked together pretty easily. Now we mix regular gas with 2-stroke engine oil, 1 gallon of gas, a little bit of oil, shake it up, and we're ready. I was nervous. Some cheap blower don't even start. But this one, first pull, and I felt the power instantly. This is where it got fun. I tested it on wet leaves, dry leaves, no problem. The air power felt like windstorm on my back. Cruise control made it easy to use for longer time. And the backpack strap, super comfy. The price, way less than big name blowers. The power, absolutely insane for this price. If you are tired of weak blower and want something that works, this HTK 63cc gas blower is worth every penny. Sometimes the best tools are the ones no one's talking about. And this one, it speaks for itself. Like and subscribe, share it with others so everyone else would benefit. Thank you for watching.